Honeybee, what do you think? What do you think? It's been a long time since you've had someone to play with. I don't even know what he's doing. He's completely out of his mind. Aww. Moose, I think Honey Badger wants someone to play tug of war with. I can't take it. Scarlet. My stomach hurts from laughing.
Want me to do it?
Oh my god. I got it. Oh my god. This is...
Oh my god.
Oh, can you get my yoga mat up? I think it might get destroyed.
Don't mean to interrupt the movie.